Let's go up to that top right hand. This right here is really all I wanted to see. All that you shoot.
Alrighty. He's shooting his Daniel Defense Mark 12.
That's even better.
Oh, really?
Come and look and see what that is. Top right. Orange. About 2 inches under it.
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's badass.
That's what we're talking about right there.
Oh, yeah. That's a good hell fine shooting little gun. Alrighty. Daniel Defense Mark 12 with match reloads at 50 yards just for the sake of doing it. Alright. Let me get it on the way I need to. There we go. Alright. Hell yeah. That's a hell of a gun there. I really like that 2-stage trigger too. Oh yeah. Yeah, I've basically got all 5 of those in one hole. Hell yeah. That's a Daniel Defense Mark 12. And that's Dad's. He bought that. It's got Leupold, what, 3 to 10 on it? 3 to 10 on top with just regular crosshairs. This thing's badass. It's got that heavy ass marksman barrel on that's 18 inches. Pretty much, it's just like the Mark 12 the military used, but it's just dressed up a little different. But that's a hell of a fine gun. A very fine rifle. Alright, let's shoot the old Mark 12 some more. Get my military marksman degree here with the DMR, Designated Marksman's Rifle. Alright. Alright. I got 10 rounds. Now these bullets here, the last 5 I shot were match bullets. But these are 52 grain hollow points that we run through the Dillon for our oracles. And we shot some of them earlier and they grouped pretty damn good out of the Mark 12 as well. Alright. Okay. It failed to eat one. Oh, I see why. It pushed one halfway up in there sideways. That's more the bullet than it was the gun. Alright. There we are. So 9 rounds on target. One pushed in there sideways. But that's the ammo, not the rifle. Very good rifle. I have to show the groups on camera.